Microsoft Office helps create useful stuff like documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and more, which help users accomplish their tasks easily. Today, we will use Clone Files Checker to scan and clean up any duplicates in Office 2019. CFC offers smart functionality to get rid of dupe files. Download Clone Files Checker from its website and install it. Use the Add button to add up an unlimited number of locations you want to scan for duplicates. Select Custom and then Documents. Click Start Search to initiate the scan. In a while, CFC will show you the number of duplicates detected as well as the space they've taken up. Click Fix Wizard. Click Newest and then select Permanent Delete in the next window. Click Continue and the duplicates will be purged for good. By the way, CFC will delete all kinds of duplicate files. Give it a try and be amazed.